Are you a restaurant looking to scale phone orders without scaling headcount? Are you tired of losing revenue on missed orders because your staff is too busy to answer phone calls? Meet AgooAI, an AI-powered phone ordering system specifically designed for restaurants that answers calls, take orders, and processes payments for restaurants completely automatically 24/7 with zero human intervention. Agoo AI is built on an enterprise grade AWS cloud infrastructure and powered by voice AI technology. Agoo AI eliminates the need for dedicated phone staff by handling unlimited simultaneous calls with perfect accuracy. When a customer calls, the AI assistant engages in natural conversation, navigates full menu, including size and customizations, collects customer details, confirms the order, and instantly sends secure payment link together with order details via SMS, all while your team focuses on cooking and serving. For restaurants spending $15 per employee to answer phone calls, which equates to about $3,600 a month on phone order, labor, and losing revenue from missed calls and other errors, Agoo AI delivers the same service for just $299 per month, which typically pays for itself within the first week while capturing previously lost late nights and overflow orders that drive additional growth. So without wasting much time, I'm going to demo the full functionality of the AI, how it takes the orders, processes the order to the order dashboard, how this order gets prepared and served, and confirmations sent back to the customer. We're going to look at all of that right now. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to show you the orders dashboard and also the menu dashboard. So on the menu dashboard, this is where you can upload all your menu items. And as you can see, I already have a couple of menu items uploaded here. You can upload up to 20,000 menu items. So go ahead and exhaust the list, right? And the way this works is there's an option for bulk imports. And with bulk import, you can click on this and it allows you to basically import large amounts of menu items in an Excel format or CSV format. Okay, so there is no worries if you have 1,000, 2,000 menu items you want to upload, we can do that in one go. Orders dashboard is a very fantastic feature for the Agoo AI application. And by the way, this is what the restaurant sees. This is not for the customer at all. This is just the interface that allows the restaurant owners to manage their entire operations. Everything is handled by this single application. All right, over here on the orders dashboard, we can see today's orders completed today, how many orders are in progress. We can see the number of AI calls. We can see today's revenue. We can see number of paid orders. We can also see online payments completed. So when payments are made via the payment link, it registers automatically here. It happens instantly. And you can also see cash payment records here. And then there is payment pending tab to see what payments are pending. And also if payments fail, you are going to see it here. For refunds, you will see a refund that you have done for that day. You'll see the number here and the total amount, and also total refund amount here as well. Below is where you are going to see the orders when they come in. Orders come in as order cards. They come in with order numbers, and then this is where you can click to view the details of the order. We are going to simulate an actual example of how the AI handles all of this and see how this works. So let me go ahead and make a call to the AI right now and see how it handles the call.
Calling Paige Special Kitchen. I'm your AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I would like to order Ghana jollof rice and Caesar salad.
You mentioned you wanted to order the Ghana jollof rice, which comes with goat stew. Would you like any additional sides or items with your order?
I would like to add Caesar salad.
I apologize, but I'm not sure what Susan Salad refers to. Could you please provide more details or check if it's a menu item currently available at Kate's Special Kitchen?
I would like to,
Alternatively,
the item I said was Caesar salad.
this will just take a sec. Thank you for clarifying. So to summarize your order so far, Donna jollof rice with goat stew, Caesar salad. Could you please provide your full name and phone number for the order?
My name is James, and my phone number is 612-478-9350.
Thank you, James. Just to confirm, your complete order is 1, Donna jollof rice with goat stew, 2, Caesar salad, and your phone number is 612-478-9350. Is everything correct?
Yes.
Just a sec. Your order has been successfully processed, James. Your order number is board minus 1709249302773Q8KS. Total for your order, including taxes, is $4.64. Your pickup will be ready in approximately 15 minutes. You'll receive a secure payment link via SMS to complete your payment. Great day, and thank you for choosing Kate's Special Kitchen.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need to...
Okay, so we just placed our first order and the AI handled the call beautifully, right? So over here on the orders dashboard, you can see that the order came through. The name I used was James. And here is the phone number for James. Here is the order number. And you can see the order has been confirmed. I also received a text message, which I'm going to show to you in a little bit, for you to see what the customer also sees. So over here, you can, for the restaurant owner, people working in the kitchen, they can use an iPad to access the orders dashboard. All they have to do is click on view, and they can see I ordered one quantity of jollof rice, which is $2.30, and then another one quantity of Caesar salad, which is $2. Okay, so the total amount with taxes is $4.64. So now let me show you what the customer sees. Let me go ahead and share my screen so you can see what the customer is seeing as well.
Recording in progress.
So I'm using my phone, so give me a second to share so you can also see what I'm seeing here. Okay, screen is about to share. Let me go ahead and share that screen. Okay, great. So over here, you can see that I've also received a text message. And on the text message, you can see it says Kate's Special Kitchen. And order number is this. I ordered Ghana jollof rice, $2.30, one Caesar salad. We can see the price. Subtotal is $4.30. I want to make sure this is being captured pretty well. So let me move it to the screen. So this is the order details right here. And there are two links. There is a link to pay securely, and then there's another link for you to edit the order. So if you want to edit the order, it's as simple as just clicking this link right here. And then the customer can see their current order status here. So they currently ordered Ghana jollof rice, Caesar salad, and you can see their name and number here. So if you want to add anything to your existing order, all you have to do is scroll and you will see where it has menu items. You can search by just clicking in the search bar and type in whatever order you are looking for. And then if you scroll, you will see that item appear. So let's give that a try. Let's say we are looking for avocado. So let's do avocado. And then you can see that avocado is here. If I want to add this, I'll just click add and I'll go ahead and click on update order. So now my order is being updated. Now my total balance is $6.05. If you can see here, now I have Ghana jollof rice, Caesar salad, and avocado. Now, how is the restaurant seeing this? So let me stop sharing here and go to the restaurant dashboard and show you what the restaurant is seeing. But before we do that, let's go ahead and make payments for this transaction so we don't have to come back to it, right? So to make a payment, I can click on Pay Securely. And I already have my card, everything set up with this restaurant already. So I just have to click on Pay. And just like that, my transaction is being processed. And now the transaction is successful. You can see payment successful. And we can now see that it returned you back to the payment invoice, and it's showing here that already paid. And you can see this order has already been paid. So now we can stop sharing from the phone, and then we can get back to sharing my screen again. Okay, good. So over here, once I updated the order, if I refresh here, you can see here that a couple of things happened, right? The order has been marked as paid because I just made a payment online. So you can see the order clearly marked as paid. Now, if you click on view order, you can see that over here we have Ghana jollof rice, Caesar salad, avocado. That way, if the customer missed something, they'll be able to fix it before the restaurant owner moves the order from confirmed to preparing, because the way the software works is once the order is moved from confirmed to preparing, the customer will not be able to edit the order anymore. Okay. So in this case, the customer has updated their order. So the restaurant owner comes, checks the order out. As soon as they check it and they're about to go into preparation, they can go ahead and move the status from confirmed to preparing. And that's it. Now I just received another message letting me know that the order is being prepared. And to show you guys that as well, I'll go ahead and demonstrate that for you to see. So to do that, I have to stop sharing from here first. And then I can share from my phone. Okay, so over here, you can see that good news. Your order is now being prepared at Kids Special Kitchen. We will notify you when it's ready. And also, if you look up here, when I updated the order, I also received a text message letting me know that my updated order is now these 3 items, and the total is now this. Okay, so there is constant communication between the restaurant and the customer who is placing the order. Let's get out of this. Let's stop sharing the phone and go back to the application itself. Okay, so now we are back on the application itself. So over here, the order is being prepared. Now, let's say the order is ready for pickup. You are going to move the status to ready. And again, I just received another text message letting me know the order is ready. And then once the person comes to pick up the food, you double check, make sure the order is marked as paid. And you can also have them show you the text message, the payment text message they received. to confirm that the order was paid. And you can give them their order and mark this order as completed. Now you can see this order is marked as completed. Now, if we go up here, the order has been added to today's order. Now the online payments that we have here is 2 because I just made a payment. And then your total revenue is now $8.21. These paid orders are 2. Okay. So you can see how the AI was able to handle that seamlessly. The only thing the human being had to do was to go and get the food ready and let the customer know when the food is being prepared, when it's ready, and also when it's completed. Another thing I forgot to say is whenever you mark an order as completed, text message goes to the customer who ordered the food as well, thanking them for their business, which is a very nice thing to do. This will keep your customers very, very happy. Now, let me handle a more complicated order, and let's see how the AI is able to navigate that. And we can wrap up the demo. So to do that, I'll come to menu, items, and I'm looking for an order with a side. So this order right here comes with a side. I want to see how the AI assistant is able to handle an order that comes with a side. Okay, let's go ahead and make that call.
I'm your AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I would like to order grilled chicken sandwich.
One moment. The grilled chicken sandwich comes with your choice of one side. You can choose from French fries, garden salad, sweet potato fries, steamed rice, or corn on the cob. Which side would you like to have with your sandwich?
I would like to add French fries.
Great choice. Here's your current order. Grilled chicken sandwich with French fries. Could you please provide your name and phone number for the order?
My name is Peter. My phone number is 612-478-9350.
Thank you, Peter. Here is your complete order. Grilled chicken sandwich, French fries. Your phone number is 612-478-9350. Is everything correct?
Yes.
This will just take a sec. Perfect. Your order is confirmed, Peter. Your order number is board minutes 1760925631181 PKTN. Total is $2.16, and your meal will be ready for pickup in approximately 15 minutes. You'll also receive a secure payment link via SMS to complete your payment. Thank you for choosing Kate's Special Kitchen. Have a great day.
Thank you. Okay. I just ended the call. Let's go ahead and check out what happened. So I'm back on the orders dashboard, and you can see instantly Peter's orders just came through, right? Order is confirmed. I just received a text message with the order details. I'm going to show that to you in a second. But over here, we can click on view and see what was ordered. So I ordered grilled chicken sandwich, which comes with a side of French fries. So because it comes with a size, the price has to be 0. And the AI understands that logic beautifully because this French fries at the side actually comes with a dollar amount. Let's go and check out the dollar amount for the French fries. Let's go to menu dashboard and let's search categories by sides. And let's look for French fries. So the value that comes with French fries is $1.11. But because it comes with the order, the AI understands the logic that if something comes with the order, do not charge for the side. So it didn't charge for the side. So let's go back to the orders dashboard. Okay. So over here, we have the order. Now, I want to demonstrate how if you put the order in preparing, once you change the status to preparing, the person ordering the food will not be able to edit the order anymore. So let's go to preparing. And now the status has been changed to preparing. I've received another text message. So let me share what I have here so we can check out the text message I just received. Let me go ahead and stop sharing from here. And then let me share from my phone. Okay. So over here, you can see that the order that came in was from Kate's Special Kitchen. This is the order number. The items are grilled chicken sandwich, $2. French fries, which is a side, is 0. Subtotal is $2. Tax is 16 cents. So the total is $2.16. And over here, you can see there's a link for me to make payments. And also, there is another link for me to edit the order. But remember, we just received a text message stating that the order is being prepared at Kate's Special Kitchen. We will notify you when it's ready. So it means that if we try to edit the order using the edit order link, we won't be able to edit anymore because the restaurant always have to understand what the order is before they move it to preparing. And once they move it to preparing, you can't update anymore. But until they do that, the customer always has that ability to update the order. So I'll go ahead and click on edit order. And now you can see cannot edit order. This order cannot be edited. Status is what? Preparing. Order can only be edited when pending or confirmed. So that explains it. All right. And if I want to make payments, I can just click on go to payments instead of clicking on the payment link. Or if you guys want to see how the payment link actually works, I can go back to the text messages. And where it says secure, pay securely, I can click on the link and you can see I can still click here to pay. But I want to do a cash payment for this so that you guys get to see if the person walks up to the restaurant and say, hey, we want to pay in cash. How can the restaurant handle that transaction using AgooAI? So let's stop sharing with the phone. And let's share again from here. Okay, so now we are back here and we have an order that is pending. Let's say the order is ready. So we change the status to ready. I just received another message letting me know the order is ready. And now the person walks up to the restaurant and say, hey, I would like to pay with cash. How can we handle this transaction? So the restaurant will collect a cash of $2.16 from the person. And right now we have 0 cash payments. But if this person wants to pay by cash, no problem. We can just click on cash payment. And then over here, it says mark this order as paid with cash. So I can just press OK. And then click on OK here. And just like that, you can see that the order has been marked as paid with what? Cash. And then if you go here, you can see we now have 1 cash payment and the total is 215. And that total has been added to today's revenue. And now total payment, which includes online payments and cash payments, is now 3. Okay. So that is that is what AgooAI gives you. This is an AI-powered phone ordering system for restaurants of all sizes. It doesn't matter whether you're a small restaurant, mid-sized restaurant, or a big restaurant. This AI application can work for you seamlessly. And of course, we have other features like you can have, sales dashboard, customers dashboard, where you can see a list of all your customers and the transactions that took place. Team management dashboard, where you can manage your team, subscription, where you can manage subscriptions for AgooAI, and where you can configure your AI calls just with 1 click, right? SMS settings, tax settings, payment settings. This is where you actually set up your business account so that when payments are being made to you via Stripe, you can get paid directly to your bank account. Your payments doesn't go to AgooAI, it goes to your personal or business bank account directly. So that concludes the demo. If you're a restaurant out there watching this and you find it very fascinating, we are about to go live on 15th November. The first 20 restaurants to register with us, they will have a 45-day free trial where they get to test the AgooAI application. You can test this side by side with your existing infrastructure. You don't have to pay anything, right? We will give it to you for free. But trust me, once you give this a try, you will never want to go back to the traditional way of handling phone orders. And also, if somebody comes to order in-house, this covers all of that. Actually, let me show you how you can create an order if somebody walks up to the restaurant. So to do that, I'm still on the orders dashboard. You can just click on create manual order. Let's say they want over here, you can see the list of menu items that you can add. So let's say the person's name is Bob. And over here, they want to order Ghana jollof rice, beef burger. They want to add margarita pizza. Okay. Once you select them, you can see the order summary here. So you just have to add their phone number, 612-478-9350. When you are done, you can go ahead and click on create order. And even if they are in front of you, they still get a text message with a payment link. You see, so we just created this order with Bob. Payment link just got sent out to me. I just got it together with the order details, just like I've demonstrated earlier. And same process. The person can either use the payment link or pay by cash. Either way, the application is able to handle it beautifully. So there you have it. If you are interested in using our software application, send a text message to text AgooAI to 612-478-9350. And someone on the team will set up a Zoom meeting with you and we can get you started in less than a couple of minutes. So, yeah, thank you for taking the time and for watching this. Share this with your loved ones, your friends that owns restaurants that you think they might be interested in an application like this. See you on the next one. Have a good night.